Hey, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you how to code the publisher subscriber pattern. This pattern bit similar to observer pattern. The only difference is in observer pattern we know about the subscriber. In publisher subscriber pattern we don't know about the subscriber. We just assign functions to events. What we're gonna build is an event bus example. Here you can see I have delete video and delete profile functions, and here you can see I have subscribe to those events, and here you can see I have vid one deleted, profile deleted. Also when I delete the profile I delete the videos as well. After that I have unsubscribed the delete profile. Now when I emit delete profile event, nothing happens. When I emit delete video, it executes. That because I unsubscribe the delete profile feature. So this way you can maintain an event bus in your code. Let's start coding. First I need the event bus class. Event bus. Also we need this type event bus callback args. For now I'm gonna export it. Later I will show you what I'm gonna do. It is a type. Okay. Alright. Now first thing is I need listeners. Private listeners, and it is an empty object for now. The type is key string. The value is a function array. We have three functions for our class. One is on, other one is off, another one is any. Here I pass the event, which is a string. Then I pass a callback, which is a function. Here I have that in the off event as well. Here I have the event, but here only args, which is any. Because if you want to pass these type of variable to the subscriber functions, this is stuff, you can't predefine the type. So at the end of this video I will show you how to remove this any and do it in a custom way using this event bus callback args. Okay, this type. But for now I'm going to show you only the event bus example. Here first thing is I check whether the event is there or not. Here if it is not there, what I do is I create that event and assign an empty array. Here if that event is available, listeners event dot push the callback. Here first I check if the event is not available. If it is not, I return it. If it is there, I'm gonna filter existing functions for that event. Okay, here I have added the filter, and now I have to assign that one. Because when you use filter, it doesn't modify the existing value, it creates a new value using that one. Here if I want to emit something, first I will check whether the event is available or not. If it is available, I'm gonna do a for loop. Here listener, and now here listener args. Okay, now I call the listener, I pass additional variables like this stuff. to that one. I have added the design pattern, but here you can see the any. This can be an issue when the project becomes larger and when you add new members to a project because they don't know what we passed before, and there can be typing issues. So for this one, I'm gonna do extra modification. Okay, the design pattern is done. I'm gonna do extra modification. So if you don't like it, you can ignore it. But this is the design pattern. You can use it. Okay. Here I'm gonna add the delete video. For the delete video, the type is video ID string. Okay. For delete profile, the type is the ID. Okay. Now I'm gonna make this class a generic one by adding T. I'm gonna extend that T of pass callback args like this. So now I make this class a generic, but this generic value is a key of this object, this type object. This is a type, this is a object, and it should be one of these keys. Okay. Now here I have this T. So this should be string. We shouldn't change this one. If I do it, you get some error. Okay. We shouldn't do that one. Here for these events, it should be T. For any, I'm gonna add T like. For this one, keep the string. For all the events that we pass, add the T, and for the args, add call event bus callback args T. Okay. So now you can get intelligence. Here, this arg type. Here you can get intelligence. This one is a delete video. This one is a delete profile. The downside of this approach is this. You get intelligence for what we have, right? If you want to add a new event, you have to add that to this object first, then only you can get that. Okay. So here I can remove this. Here I have add video and I can add it. Here if you add something else, you get an error. So you have to add the type first before adding the event. So this way it will make sure your types are safe. That's it. See you guys in the next one.